Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have the latest technology in a massage chair by ArtistHand. Let me tell you about it. Remember to take your shoes off for your massage, so you can hop into your ArtistHand massage chair, because the foot massage is one of my favorite parts. Power on.
Wow. Massage master. Shoulder scanning.
It comes pre-programmed with a 20-minute massage that covers all parts of your body. The chair moves and the massage starts with rollers down your back.
You may move the mechanism up or down by pressing the mechanism up or down adjustment button.
I love the tips. It's telling me I can move things up or down here, but I don't need to. It inflates by your shins to gently massage your legs. The feet rollers go back and forth. The shins get massaged. And now my head and neck is getting massaged, and I'm feeling my left arm being gently massaged as well. There's nothing like being at home and being able to relax and get a massage at your time, your place, at your convenience. And check out this control panel. It swivels around, so I'm going to turn it towards me and show you how it works. Let me explain the keypad for you. It's very detailed. I'm going to show you some of my favorite features. I'm going to explain it to you. It's amazing, but there's so much more that I didn't have time to show you on this video. On the left side, it has family care.
Family care.
And that's where you can create a personalized program for ladies who love beauty. It's like a spa massage experience without leaving your house. I use the family care feature a lot. That is the one I want a lot of back work. And my derriere. It also is great on my legs and my feet, as if I was getting massage on my thighs and my calves and my feet. And here's the pain relief button. Now that's mainly for my neck and shoulders, and that has a feeling as if I'm getting kneaded with a lot of pressure and pressing going up my spine and up my shoulder blades. And it has a neck lifting feature, which is so stress relieving. It's really great on my shoulders and my neck. You can see the shoulder pads and the kneading happen, and you can even hear it in my voice. And now this is leisure time.
Leisure time.
For after sports. Because in sports, sometimes you have muscles that just hurt and they're sore from playing your sports. Now it's great on the upper back and the thighs. Now focus massage
Neck massage.
has many different parts that you can focus on. Now that's going to be neck, and that's going to relieve the muscle tension and soreness in your neck. It's also really great for improving your blood circulation to the brain. Now we're going to press it again.
Shoulder massage.
And now that's going to go all over your shoulders. It's like a shoulder decompression massage. So if you have sore shoulders, this is great for blood circulation to the shoulders. Now, many times I have a sore aching back, and this is going to massage from my shoulder blades all the way to my waist. It gets rid of that tension and soreness in the middle of my back and also in the back of my shoulders. And this is really good as well, the way it massages you to benefit the health of your spleen and your stomach, because those parts of your body get the benefit of the deep tissue massaging of the back into the spleen and the stomach. Massage is so great for overall wellness.
Waist massage.
Now this is for waist care. It's going to massage my waist, and that's going to relieve all that tension and soreness around my waist. I get that often because I bend so much. And it helps with your internal organs to have that area massaged.
Hip massage.
Now this hip massage is great for your derriere, your behind. It really works great to relieve your muscle tension on your bottom and the soreness of your waist. This hip stretch really stretches the hips. I can really feel that.
Leg massage.
And what can I say? It feels so good to have my legs massaged. It goes all the way from the top of my legs, and that massaging rollers go down my legs, all around my thighs. That is really helping my blood circulation to my legs. They also have a control for the air pressure intensity, because not all bodies are created the same. Some of us are smaller, some of us are larger. The air pressure intensity will adjust from level 1 to 5 to fit every body. And that also adjusts the massage intensity and the strength of the airbag. I use a lot of 5th level because I want an intense massage. But the 1st level is great, especially if you're a larger person. I would recommend that. And now here's the air pressure focus.
Upper body air pressure.
For the upper body,
Lower body air pressure.
For the lower body,
Air pressure off.
air pressure off.
Whole body air pressure.
All body air pressure. And maybe just with the roller, you don't really need your arms or your calves with air pressure. You can just turn that off. Or upper body or lower body. I like the design of that. I don't always need a full body massage, so that's good to know. And by pressing this, you can get the sequence you want of the massages. And there's a techniques button, and that's where you get the massage of your choice. Whatever style you like, you get. Check this out.
Sink massage.
Sink massage,
Rubbing massage.
rubbing massage,
Knocking massage.
knocking massage,
Tapping massage.
tapping massage,
Shiatsu massage.
and shiatsu massage. That's 5 different kinds of techniques. You can pick your favorite to enjoy the best of your artist hand masseuse. And check this out. You can have whatever width you want for your massage. That means it goes across your whole body.
Narrow coverage.
Narrow coverage,
Medium coverage.
medium coverage,
Wide coverage.
and wide coverage. And of course, speed. Speed goes from 1 to 5.
Massage speed level 1. Massage speed level 2. Massage speed level 3. Massage speed level 4. Massage speed level 5.
And that will govern the speed of the movement of all the devices within the chair that are giving you the massage. And the time is great because you can decide if you want your massage for 5 minutes or up to 30 minutes. And when the chair stops, you'll know your massage is up. And to connect your Bluetooth device, just press time for 3 seconds and that's going to connect your phone.
Bluetooth off.
So press it to turn your Bluetooth on. 1, 2,
Bluetooth
3.
on.
And Bluetooth is now on. One of my favorite functions is the heat function for a cold winter's night. It really adds the heat into your
Heating
muscles.
level 1.
And you can see the red of where you're going to get that heat with that heat button. Check this out.
Heating off.
Heating off,
Heating level 1.
heating level 1,
Heating level 2.
level 2,
Heating level 3.
level 3. Just like in a car, it will really get the heat going. I love that when I'm chilly at night and I want my massage and I want a lot of heat to warm me up. It is so therapeutic. One of my favorite features of the ArtistHand massage chair. And now check out zero gravity.
Zero gravity position 1.
The whole chair leans back. It is so relaxing.
Zero gravity off.
And now it's off and you go back to slightly slanted. It's like a rocket ship. And they've thought to put a child lock feature in it so the kids don't get around and play in the chair. That may not be safe or good for them. With young children in the household, that's important.
Child lock off.
And then if I press the back up position,
Back up.
it's going to move the chair with the back all the way up. You can see it in real time now until it's completely up, and then it'll stop. Now watch this. So you can see the vertical line for back up, and now I'm going to press back down and check this out. By pressing this button here,
Back down.
and the chair will continue to keep going down, back down, which is so relaxing. And all you have to do is touch the button, and away you go. Back to La La Land. And you can do this in the middle of your massages. You can decide to move the chair and change anything you want. You're not going to mess anything up. All these buttons are so responsive. And there's also a dial to control it. And the dial is located on the right-hand side, and you press it once to turn it on, hold it down.
Power on. Massage master.
It starts in the automatic mode. And here we go. We can turn it to the right, and that'll take it right back up, the chair right back up, just by the twist of your fingers. Now watch it. I'm going to do the other way now too.
Back down.
And that'll put the chair back down. It tilts it back and it goes back down. That's a really quick and easy control right at the touch of your fingertips. And if you want to pause, 1 tap.
Massage is suspend.
And then to turn it off, you can just hold it down.
Power off.
And the chair will go back into its resting position in the power off position. Wow. I'm floating. It has touched all of my muscle groups and all of my body, from my very tip of my toes all the way up my neck to the base of my head. I feel like that was a hand-given massage all over my body. I think that's probably why they named it ArtistHand. Wow, what an amazing chair. And the built-in speakers are terrific. You can set it up with Bluetooth on your phone so that you're able to listen to your favorite tunes. Just go to Bluetooth, just scroll down, and ArtistHand comes up. I press that, and it connects. So hit your music app and play your songs and listen to them through the speakers. It's a lovely day and relaxing with the music feature. And the music level is the way you want it on your phone, because maybe you want your own private music without disturbing the whole household. I love that feature. And ArtistHand has thought to have an innovative feature for knee work and calf work. Check this out. Just by this, you can move this to different positions. Let me show you that slowly. With pulling it up slightly, it has 4 different places that it'll stop to give you specific relief for where you need it. And now I'm sitting in a chair, and I'm going to pull it up to my knees. And with my knee therapy, I want to have heat.
Heating level 2. Heating level 3.
I want the highest heat. And then I touch the leg work.
Leg massage.
It's on leg massage, and now this is going to be working my knees and my lower legs. It's inflating here. It's adding the heat. Oh, and it's relieving my painful knees. Lately, my knees have really been bothering me. And this kind of a massage for the workout on my knees and the lower part of my calves is just so great. And you can adjust it to different parts of the leg. So there it's getting my calves because of all the different positions it goes to. Right now, my calves are feeling it with the intensity of the warm heat. That is so soothing for after workouts. It feels so good. And it can go to anywhere you want to give you that relief on your lower legs or knees. Great feature. Never seen that before. ArtistHand has created this massage chair to offer the targeted therapy for the lower back, the legs, and the feet. And they do that with a nano carbon fiber constant temperature therapy, just like I'm showing you here with this knee therapy. And with that warm temperature, it's going to stimulate my blood circulation, and it's going to soothe my muscle soreness and my damaged tissues from all the working out I do. And this will rejuvenate my muscles to relieve and alleviate any fatigue. And as I flip it up to my knee, it's going to give me a specialized knee joint maintenance and massage my knees, because that's where I need the help right now. I love this pinpointed therapy that I can get from ArtistHand Massage Chair. When you order your ArtistHand Massage Chair, it comes right to your home. Here it is in my garage. Right on the outside of the box, it shows you how to unbox it. It wants you to unbox it upside down, and that's how it's going to come. It was really easy to do it that way. I put it in my living room on the floor so you could see the process of that. It came packaged in a lot of material so it wouldn't get damaged during shipping. Step 1, I took some of them off so you could see the chair. This is the position it comes in. I moved it a bit, and now I'm going to show you more angles of the chair. Here it is from top to bottom, all the way down to where the feet go. That's where you put your legs, and your feet get massaged at the bottom. Here's a side view of the chair, full on. The quality's great. The materials are ultra luxury. Here's the back of the chair, from the top all the way down to the center section to the very bottom. And at the bottom is where the electrical plugs in. On the top of the chair by your ears are the built-in speakers. And here is a power button and a control button on the side of the right arm. And here is the full chair from top to bottom looking straight on. It's a beautiful design. The colors are wonderful. It's got a black with a goldish bronze color. The electronics are packaged really well so they won't get damaged during shipping. I took them out of the bag and I laid everything out on the counter. The user manual is really easy to understand, very simple. It has an electrical plug and the accessories and the holder for the control. Here's a close-up of the electrical plug. It's a normal 120 volt plug, and here's a holder for the control panel. And a couple of tools. Very little assembly is required. I took the tools out of the bag and placed them on the mat so you can see them close up. Wow, I just didn't want that to ever end. Click the link below to get your ArtistHand massage chair. What a way to relieve stress in your daily life every day without ever having to make an appointment. This is awesome. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a completely customized massage just the way you want it so you can feel great. Wow. After this video, I'm gonna go back in it. See you next time.